lessons in 8C1, truth tables and logical equivalence. The first slide here is the truth tables for negation, conjunction, disjunction, exclusive disjunction. We already have these in our notes, but if you need to refer back to them or review. These are our definitions, symbols, and they were already in our notes also. So remember, conjunction has the two propositions connected with and. Here is our symbol. And the rule is it's true when both P and Q, so both propositions, are true. Next review word is disjunction. Has the connection of or in between them. Here is our symbol. And it's true when one or both of the propositions is true. It's false when both are false. Last one, exclusive disjunction, has the symbol of the V with the line underneath it, and it's P or Q, but not both. And the rule is it's true only when one of the propositions is true. All right, here's our first example in our book. It helps us to construct a truth table. So this is the symbol that we're looking for. So how we say this is P or not Q. So to construct a truth table for P or not Q, we start with the possible combinations for the two propositions. So here's proposition P, whatever that proposition is. It could be true, true, false, false. The second proposition is Q. The possibilities, it could be true, false, true, false. So these are the two possible columns for P and Q. Now we're ready to do the negation. So that's going to be your next step, is to negate Q. So here's your Q column, and you're going to negate them. So if this is true, this would be false. If this is false, that would be true. If this is true, then that would be false. It's always the opposite. False, then true. Finally, we look at the last column with the disjunction rule. So disjunction on that previous slide, disjunction is true when one or both are true, and then false when both are false. So this is what we're looking at next, is the disjunction. So here we go. We're looking at these two columns only. Sorry. This column here, P or not Q. So true and false. Disjunction says we only want one of them to be true. We're good. Or both of them to be true, or one of them. True and true, true again. So far, so good. Now we have a false and a false. Both of them are false. We have a false and a true. We only need one of them, or both of them. So this is your final column. In the green are the possible truth values for P or Q, not P or not Q.